Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants at home in microwave, full guide. Start by gathering ingredients and a microwave-safe dish, then prep your workspace and chill your butter. I walk you through a shortened lamination technique that mimics traditional rolling, explain timing for proofing using warm spots, and share microwave baking tips to avoid soggy centers while keeping layers crisp and flaky for a bakery-style result at home. I explain a simple dough formula and a microwave-friendly lamination routine that reduces chill time without sacrificing layers. Prepare a slightly stiffer dough so it holds butter pockets, then use a grated or flattened butter packet for fast folding. Keep folds tight and chill briefly between turns in the fridge or a cool spot to prevent melting. I also cover shaping croissants and how to manage proofing in warmer kitchens. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It listens to voice control and can scoot around flour dust and butter flakes while you proof croissants, making cleanup effortless and oddly satisfying. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. I share proofing hacks and microwave baking tricks that help croissants rise and brown evenly. Use warm spots or a proofing bowl to speed rise without overheating, and test your microwave with a small trial croissant to dial power settings. Bake in short bursts at lower power, then finish with a quick crisp under a broiler if needed. I also cover signs of underbaking and how to revive soggy croissants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.